Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I'm working on an EICO model 147A signal tracer that was given to me by my father. He used it in his radio TV shop back in the 1970s and early 80s. Late 1960s, 70s, and early 80s. So I've gone through and cleaned it up and checked the tubes. Found the tubes to be good. Got a 6x4 here. That's good. There's a 12AX7. And what do we have here? 6AQ5, I believe. Let me see what this is. This is a 6AQ5. Yes, 6AQ5. So those are all good. There was a couple of wires attached. These wires had been attached here and here. I removed those because I've ordered a new probe, set of probes for this testing for this instrument. So that would fit right in here. So I know they only need those. This old set here, which is brittle, and so I'm gonna put this back together. I've also cleaned the magic eye there. Clean that, and I'll show you what it looks like underneath. So a few resistors under here. That's it. So it looks real clean. I cleaned the pots there, the switches, the switch there, and the sockets, the tube sockets with electronic cleaner. So I'm ready to put this back together, and then once my probe gets here, I'll be able to plug them in here. But I know that this signal tracer, it lights up, and I believe it's going to work. So I'm looking forward to trying it out when I get a chance. Okay, so until the next video, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, working on some vintage electronic equipment. Till the next time, peace out.